Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to thank the people who sent me this product. It's called Happy Skin. It's a rapid reliever, okay? Um, this is for dry skin, acne, if you just have like issues with your skin, and it's not just for your face, it's for your whole entire body. I do have dry skin, especially my legs and stuff like that more than anything. I have dry skin. Not only is it for dry skin, it's also for oily skin. It's for all kinds of skin, and it will help bring the skin back to what is natural. I actually looked this up a little bit, and it even said that it's good for insect bites. Now that's gonna be good because there's a lot of bugs out here. So for even when the weather gets a little bit warmer and the bugs want to start coming out to bite you, especially mosquitoes, this may be a good thing to try. I'm going to try it on my hand. Doesn't really have a smell, okay? And and this is the box it came in right there. Before I even go further, let's see. Our white blood cells naturally produce hypochlorous acid to help defend and repair dry, unhappy skin. So what it's actually saying is lightly spray and apply 3 to 5 sprays to bare skin and use it or use it as a soap. Allow it to air dry, no rinsing required. And so that's what you're doing. You do it 2 or 3 times a day if you wish. So I'm going to spray a little bit on my hand right there. I'm going to do just a spray because it's really only on. Oh, it says shake it up. Sorry. Shake it up. And I'm going to just do a spray. If you can see, that's what it looks like. And it says to air dry. And it will help to keep my skin from being dry, especially my legs. My legs are rough. My legs are rough. So if I let it sit, it will help to take care of that. Then, as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna rub it into the other one just a little bit, and then kind of let it air dry. And it has a wet look to it right now. And I guess it'll dry up, but it has also a little bit of sheen to it. So it should keep my skin more less dry, I should say. It should keep my skin not oily, but like have a nice look to it. So thank you again for sending me this product. I'll definitely be using it at least on my legs, and I will be using it to see if it helps me with these mosquito bites. That's what it says. Okay, thank you guys.